City lights blur past the window pane. Whispers of where we've been remain. Steel wheels hum a lonesome tune, carrying thoughts of me and you. See by the aisle, ticket crumpled in my fist. Rain streaks the glass like tears I can't resist. Memories flooding with every passing mile. Your laughter echoes through the empty aisle. I trace the outline of your name in condensation. Fingers cold against the vibration. Stations flash by, ghosts of conversations. We build dreams on these late night migrations. But now I'm riding solo through the dark. Heart heavy like luggage I can't disembark. The conductor calls stops that don't feel like home. Since you stepped off and left me alone. And the rhythm of the rails keeps pulling me under. Echoes of what was still make me wonder. These midnight train reflections keep showing me your face. In every window's deflection, I can't outrun this space. Wheels on still keep confessing what my silence won't say. These midnight train reflections won't let you fade away. Past the town where we first stole a kiss, under flickering lamps in the autumn mist. Your hand in mine felt like permanent ink. Now it's washing away faster than I think. I replay the fight that sent you to the door. Words like shrapnel I can't ignore. Should've held you tighter at the platform's edge. Instead I watch you vanish in the pledge of separate paths and pride that wouldn't bend. Now regret rides shotgun till the end. The diner car's empty, coffee gone cold, mirroring the stories left untold. And the distance grows wider with every mile we gain. These tracks keep reminding I'm the one to blame. These midnight train reflections keep showing me your face. In every window's deflection, I can't outrun this. Veils on still keep confessing what silence won't say. These midnight train reflections won't let you fade away. Turn this train around, chase the dawn till you're found. Hold on, but forward is the only way, carrying me further every day. Halftime feels strings swell underneath. Maybe healing hides in the grief. Let it go. Midnight train reflections keep showing me a face. In every window's deflection, I can't outrun this space. The sound still keep confessing. My silence won't say. These midnight train reflections won't let you fade away. Won't let you fade. Next up unknown, dawn starting to break. Reflections soften as the night starts to fade. Steel wheels slow their lonesome tune, still carrying thoughts of me and